Okay, so here I am checking out a, I believe, 2010 RX-8 R3. Now, right off the bat, I was a little bit disappointed because it already had a rear end swap with the S1 rear end. But, ooh, damn, those wheels don't look too good either. One curved BBS, two curved BBS. Let's look at the other BBS. Three curved BBS. This one's curved too, but not too bad. It does have the Recaros in it, so that's good. It still has the front end on it, so that's good too. I'm gonna go get some more information about this, but I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so here I am in the R3, and let's see, a few things right off the bat. Look at this Recaro seat. It's missing those little inserts, so that's a bit of a downside. Let's see, I guess the fuel gauge is a little bit off. I guess it's about low. It starts from the middle for some reason. Let's see, the seats do look kind of worn, but still comfy, nice Recaros. Anyway, I'm gonna go and take this for a spin. It has 130 original miles apparently. 130,000 I mean. Well, about 131. Should be fine. It's Series 2. They're good like that. Okay, so here we go. And safety first.
Yeah, my boss told me to go with you. That's fine?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Because since we don't know about that gas.
That clutch pedal feels kind of sloshy.
Yeah.
Like it sticks to the floor a bit. It probably just needs to be rebled. That clutch pedal's
Ahí te encargo, mijo. Voy a ir a dar una vuelta con un customer. Que ahí cuides ahí el local. Cerré la oficina. What was that again?
That clutch pedal is really weird to get used to because how sloshy it is, how sticky it is to the floor. That could probably easily be remedied by clutch bleed. Looks like we're up to temperature.
Me parece bien, mijo. Está bien, ahí me hablas cuando ya andes por aquí.
Well, red lines smoothly through the RPMs. Doesn't get stuck at 6,000, so at least the SSV is in good shape, it seems like. Usually around this mileage on an original Renesis, it starts to feel kind of sluggish, kind of like it just has no balls anymore. Not that they really have balls to begin with, but this one seems like it has a little bit of balls.
Yeah, pretty cool car.
Roads suck here, don't they?
What was that?
Is it the road or the tires? That kind of the grinding.
Yeah.
red line beeper.
Yeah.
It's been a long time since I've driven a rotary car that had a beeper that actually worked, including RX-8s.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Either the speaker, or the little thing that beeps, is dead or just stopped working.
No.
I haven't heard one for a while.
Sí, a la hora que tú te vengas, nos vamos para allá o voy y te dejo y luego ahí lo empiezas a hacer y luego tú nomás vente cuando puedas y aquí hacemos lo que podamos. Ahí jale. Tú nomás vente, ya cuando venga lo hacemos, no tenemos una hora ni nada. Ahí, tú nomás háblame cuando ya vengas por acá. Hay un chorro de jale.
So it's kind of weird going back to fuel injected from driving a carbureted rotary for the last year.
Yours?
Yeah,
Your car is a fuel injector?
No, it's carbureted.
Carbureted. And this is a fuel injector?
Yeah, this is fuel injected.
Rotor.
Yep. Oh, stop sign's up there.
So you're from Utah?
Yep.
You live over there or you just came from over there?
I'm here for orders for the Army.
Oh, nice. So you're from the Army?
Yep.
So you're staying here for a couple of years?
I might be here for the next year or so. I'll know in a few days when I get my next set of orders. If I'm going to be staying here for the next year, then I want to have something that's fun to drive and has air conditioning, which this feels nice.
Yeah. Yeah, we have AC shop over here. So.
Yeah, that RX-7 doesn't have any AC anything in it.
Oh my goodness. With El Paso hot.
Well, that was a nice change. I haven't driven a RX-8 in quite a while, and I like it. And if I can figure out the funds, then I'll pick this up. And I believe the asking price is $4,000 cash, so I need to come up with $4,000 up front. But I will get the details on that and see where we go from here. So far, I like what I see, although it's not the best. But yeah, I'll talk to him and see where we stand there.